welcome back to my channel, Elves, and also my pet, Belle!
And Jessie!
And Jessie, ba't ka nandito?
Gusto ko lang po i-promote ang channel ko.
Okay, so ipopromote niyo po yung channel niya, ang Jessie Igonia channel. At please don't forget to
Like and subscribe.
Okay, so sa ating magpapatuloy, dahil may bisita, may bubuwet na sumingit. Okay, so ang pag-aaralan po natin ngayon ay ang Laging Mananahan by Jackielyn Roy. It's a original Kingdom music composition po. And this song is requested by Teresa Ancheta of Thailand! Hello, Thailand! At syempre, bago po tayo mag-start,
Shout out!
okay, shout out to Madam Rebecca Lopez, Ladies Ensemble Channel, Trixie Amares Trinidad, Juvy Igonia, Joyce Bravo, Eden Villar, Jaguar Lopez, Fame Tahura, Jessie Pangilinan, Cara May Dayundon, and Jaira Grace Zamora. Hello everyone! Salamat po sa inyong walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel at sana hindi kayo magsawang mag-leave ng comment para i-shoutout ko kayo. So, ready na ba kayo sa ating lesson? Grab your instrument. Bel, pakita ka. And let's begin! Okay, yung first chords na pag-aaralan natin is yung D major. On a second fret is string number 1 and 2. 1 and 2. On the third fret is string number 3. D major. Next, D major 7. On the second fret is string number 1, 2, and 3. Hold like this. Next, G7. On the third fret is string number 1, 2, 4, and 5. Pero, ganito po yung paghawak ninyo. Yan, hold like this. Third fret. On the fourth fret is string number 3. On the fifth fret is string number 5. G7. Sharp 7. On the second fret is string number 2. On the third fret is string number 3. On the fourth fret is string number 4. F sharp 7. Next, E7. On the first fret is string number 3. On the second fret is string number 5. Next, A7. On the second fret is string number 4 and string number 2. 4 and 2. Next, G major or G chord. On the second fret is string number 5. On the third fret is string number 6. And string number 1, G major or G chord. Next, F sharp 7 suspended. On the second fret is string number 1, 2, 4, and 6. Hold like this. On the fourth fret is string number 5 and number 3. 5 and 3. Next, A7 suspended. On the second fret is string number 4. And on the third fret is string number 2. A7 suspended. G major 7. On the first fret is string number 1. On the third fret, string number 6. G major 7. On the second fret, hold like this. On the fourth fret, string number 4 and number 3. And on the third fret, string number 2. B minor. D over F sharp. So, yung D over F sharp, since naituro ko naman sa inyo yung D, yan. Pag over F sharp, lalagay lang natin yung sound natin dito sa second fret, string number 6. Yan. Ipitin lang po natin ng ganun. So, yung sa akin kasi is, yung D ko, nag-start ako sa downstroke, then up, then mute, down, up, mute, ganon, down, up, mute, ganon, ganun po yung ginawa ko, down, up, mute, then D major 7 natin. Okay. Yun, dahanin ko lang. Down, up, mute. D major, up, mute. Down, up, mute. Down, up, mute. Ganon. Ganon yung ginamit ko sa akin strumming pattern. Down, up, mute. Down, up, mute. D, up, mute. D. Down, up, mute. Bye! Sana po ay nag-enjoy po kayo sa ating bagong lesson na yon, ang
Laging mananahan.
by
Jackielyn Roy.
Galing! Ikaw na lang dito. Palit na tayo. Okay, so salamat po sa inyo at sana po ay nag-enjoy kayo sa ating bagong lesson ngayon. At salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa inyong walang sawang pag-support sa aking channel. At kung kayo po ay may comment at kung gusto niyo pong i-shoutout ko kayo, please, huwag po kayong mahiyang sumulat sa aking comment section below. So, salamat po sa lahat. At kung kayo hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe kayo sa aking channel at mag-like at mag-share. At huwag niyo rin pong kalimutan na i-subscribe ang channel ni
Jessie, Igonia.
Jessie, Igonia. Huwag kang mahiya. Pagkakataon mo to. So, huwag niyo pong kakalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe sa channel ni
Jessie, Igonia.
Salamat po sa lahat. Bye-bye. Ingat po kayo. And may the Father in Heaven bless us all. Bye! Try natin kung kikis to sa'yo. Kiss! Kiss Ate Jessie. Ang galing! Sa akin. Kiss ka din. Kiss ka din. Sige na, wala kang libreng ano. Hindi kita lulutuan na masarap. Kiss!
10 seconds later.